There you go.
We think we're taking it too seriously because we're not the Lolita types, but there are people who. There's some nasty, dirty old man here having a good old time with that magazine. Thank you. Okay, let's talk about what's going on at Harvard. Harvard University has this new policy. It's banning all sexual relationships between professors and students. That's good. That's right. Yeah. Well, they did have a rule in place. It used to be they banned all sexual relationships with if you're teaching a student. But now it's everywhere across the campus, banning it.
It's a good idea, Wendy. Let me tell you what.
Who are you people?
Let me tell you, Wendy. So you have little Rebecca, and she's trying to get in Dean Daniels' class. So she shows up in his office looking like Cookie did at Lucia's birthday party on Empire in her negligee. And all of a sudden his class was closed. But guess what? Now he has room for one more. No, you can't have that on the college campus. It can't work.
Parents are paying hundreds of thousands of dollars sometimes for their kids to go to school. They don't want that happening on their dime.
Well, here's my thought. First of all, as a grown Harvard student, you're not going to tell me what to do. That's number one. Number two, I'm not thinking in terms of doing it with a guy for grades, because you can't do it in his class anyway. But I am thinking in terms of, first of all, professors aren't the stereotype that we used to have. 65-year-old man with a stadium haircut and, wearing a pair of wallabies. Professors now are younger guys. And if I am a 22-year-old student at Harvard or a grad student in Harvard Medical School and I'm 28, and my professor is 35 years old, and we love legitimately, you're not going to tell me what to do.